NSS Life knows you've worked hard your entire life to build something meaningful: a home, a nest egg, a legacy for the ones you love. But we also know that in a world of financial uncertainty, a critical question arises. How do you ensure the legacy you leave is not just what's left over, but is maximized, guaranteed, and delivered with tax-efficient precision for the people you care about the most?
At NSS Life, we have a powerful and straightforward financial tool designed to answer that very question. It's the fastest growing financial tool called the NSS Life Single Premium Whole Life Insurance, and it can transform the way you think about wealth transfer.
So with this option, you'll have everything you need.
So how does this work in the real world? Let's compare two common strategies for assets you've earmarked for your heirs: funds you don't need for your own retirement. Consider a $100,000 asset. If you place $100,000 in a certificate of deposit, earning a hypothetical 4.5% interest, it would take 18 years for that asset to grow to about $211,000. And that growth is subject to income taxes along the way. Now let's reposition that same $100,000 into an NSS Life single premium whole life policy on a healthy lady who is age 60. On day one, that $100,000 is leveraged into an immediate, guaranteed, and income tax-free death benefit of $218,484. This is an increase of $118,484 to the estate day one. As you can see, NSS will more than double the value of the initial deposit. The following table shows a legacy comparison: the NSS Single Premium Whole Life versus a Certificate of Deposit, CD. The choice is clear. For assets dedicated to legacy, the NSS Single Premium Whole Life is not just an alternative. It is a mathematically superior strategy for maximizing what you leave behind.
Hi, I'm Jeff DeSantis, National Field Development Manager for NSS Life. In the next 7 minutes, we will explore each advantage of the NSS Life Single Premium Life and some trust strategies for burial needs and high net worth wealth transfer.
The first and most powerful advantage of the NSS Life Single Premium Whole Life is leverage. With one single lump sum payment, you and NSS create an immediate, contractually guaranteed death benefit for your heirs that is often significantly larger than your initial premium. This leverage does not involve market risk. You simply reposition an existing asset to multiply its value for the next generation, guaranteed from day one. As we saw earlier, a lady age 60 can leverage $100,000 to $218,484 day one. Here are a few other examples. A healthy man age 45 can leverage $25,000, nearly 300% to $73,206 day one. A lady age 70 could leverage a $10,000 deposit that she may have earmarked for her funeral to a benefit of $15,491 with no future payments required. And a young professional lady age 35 can have a one-and-done payment of $23,365 to create a $100,000 instant legacy. The second pillar is tax efficiency. Under current tax law, the death benefit from an NSS single premium whole life policy is paid by NSS to your beneficiaries income tax-free. This is a crucial distinction. While heirs may owe income tax on inherited retirement accounts or on the interest from bank instruments such as CDs, the full value of your NSS life insurance legacy is preserved for them. This creates a double efficiency. Not only does it avoid income tax, but the immediate, tax-free cash can provide the liquidity your estate needs to cover final expenses or potential estate taxes. This prevents your executor from being forced to sell cherished assets like a family home or business just to pay the bills.
I can't believe the money we put into this old UL is not enough.
It is time to roll this cash to an NSS Life Single Premium.
The third pillar is profound simplicity. Unlike traditional universal or variable life insurance that require decades of ongoing payments, the NSS Single Premium Whole Life is funded with a single premium. One payment, and you are done, forever. This eliminates the need to budget for future premiums and, critically, removes the risk that the policy could accidentally lapse due to a missed payment. It provides peace of mind, simplifying your financial life and locking in a lifetime of protection with a single decisive action. Also, the cash accumulation of an NSS single premium whole life is 100% liquid, anytime. The final pillar is privacy and speed. When you name a beneficiary on your NSS single premium whole life policy, the death benefit is paid directly to them, completely bypassing the court-supervised process known as probate. Probate can be a slow, expensive, and public process, often freezing estate assets for months when your family needs them most. Because life insurance proceeds are paid directly, they provide immediate private access to funds for your loved ones, serving as a financial bridge during a difficult time. The NSS Single Premium Whole Life also has a powerful defensive application. To qualify for Medicaid to help pay for long-term care, your countable assets must be below a very low threshold, typically just $2,000. An NSS Life Single Premium Whole Life policy can be used to fund an NSS Life Burial Trust, which is an exempt, non-countable asset. This strategy allows you to convert a countable asset into an exempt one, helping you qualify for benefits while ensuring your final wishes are funded with dignity, safety, and without burdening your family. It is a key strategy in preserving assets in the face of catastrophic care costs.
I'm glad Mom's NSS single premium and trust helps her keep her benefits.
Yeah, we should set ours up too.
For those with larger estates that may be subject to federal or state estate taxes, the NSS Single Premium Whole Life can be combined with an advanced strategy. By placing the policy inside a specially designed trust, called an Irrevocable Life Insurance Trust or ILIT, the death benefit can be excluded from your taxable estate. To summarize, the NSS Life Single Premium Whole Life Insurance Policy offers a unique combination of benefits. It leverages your assets into a larger guaranteed death benefit. It transfers that wealth income tax-free, avoids probate, and offers flexibility for life's uncertainties, all with the simplicity of a single payment. So, if you are ready to turn your hard-earned assets into a maximized, guaranteed legacy, here are your next steps. 1. Review your legacy goals. Clarify what you want to achieve for your heirs or chosen charities. 2. Identify your legacy assets. Do you have funds in CDs, savings, or other low-performing accounts that are earmarked for the next generation or for your burial? Perhaps you have an older universal or variable life policy that has underperformed and requires increasing and ongoing premiums. 3. Request a personalized illustration by contacting us today. We can show you your specific numbers of how the assets you have today can become a larger, guaranteed, and tax-efficient legacy for tomorrow. We also want you to know that the NSS Life Single Premium Whole Life Insurance Policy has a low minimum face amount requirement of $5,000, and it is available for people between the ages of 0 and 90. Meaning that the lady age 60 who we referenced earlier in this video could secure a $5,000 NSS single premium whole life for just a little over $2,500. Make the wise choice. Call us today.